Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change comment status in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now I'll change this comment status. Select this tools option. Now select comment option. And you will find this comment dialog box, this sticky note comment. And this comment status is accepted. Now I'll change this comment status, see it here. Set status. I'll make it completed. See this. Also change this comment status here. The dot option set status. I'll make it none. So this none option showing here. Also change this comment status. I'll make it completed. And see this three comment box comment status now says. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.